Hi, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. In this session, I am going to explain the principles of effective communication. So, in the previous session, we discussed about the process of communication, and let us see what are the learning objectives. The first learning objective is to make students understand the principles of communication. Second learning objective is to make students understand the concept of clarity and simplicity. And third one, to make understand the concept of brevity and timeliness. And the next one, to make student understand the concept of integrity and also what is the meaning of feedback. So next, let us see what are the principles of effective communication. The first principles of effective communication is that principles of clarity. So the subject matter which is to be communicated must be clear. Ambiguity terms should not be used in the communication. And the second principle is principles of simplicity. The language used in the communication should be simple and easily understandable to the sender and also receiver. And the third one is called principles of timeliness. Always the communication sent to a receiver that should be simple, clear, correctness, and also completeness. If the communication is complete, then automatically both sender and receiver saves the time. So fourth one is called principles of brevity. Principles of brevity means the message should be as brief as possible. Here, brevity means completing the message with limited words and sentences. If this principle is followed, both sender and receiver can save time and cost. Next, the principles of integrity. Communication should be able to introduce all the employees in the enterprise. With the object of this, so that all the employees move unitedly towards the goal. And the next principle is principles of completeness. Principles of completeness means that is in presenting information, principles of completeness should be followed. Communication becomes incomplete if partial information is presented. Therefore, the sender should give sufficient information so that message is complete. And the next one is called feedback, principles of feedback, last one. The speaker should not just speak and get away from the communication side. You should wait a response to know whether the receiver has understand what he has said, because principles of feedback is very important principles of an effective communication. These are all the principles of effective of communication. Thank you all.